I use half-gallon milk jug. Draw some guideline for me to cut later. Don't have to be exactly, because you can fix later on. This part is critical. It is the bulge that controls the slope of the horizontal position of the foam. Use the knife for first cut. Then use the scissor. Much easier to control the cut. You can still fix later. I suggest you cut this bulge a little wider so you can fix later. I realize that the green label is not in the same height. Now is the time you can fix all the cuts. Check the bulge, see if it's on the same level. This one is not. The right bulge needs to trim a little more. I use cement to make a base, also to add the weight to this stand. These are the wrong cut waste, but it's good for me to make a base because I'm going to make a 6 or 7 for my family and the friends. You probably know each time you mix the cement, you have to finish it. It will not wait for you for next day. After they all dried, I use sandpaper to smooth them up. I think I used too much sand to mix this cement. A lot of dust and crack and a bubble. I'm not an expert on cement, but it fits perfectly. I use plastic food wrap so it looks clean and nice. I use some packing material so the foam won't slip. You can adjust any angle on the vertical position, but for horizontal, the 2 bulges control the angle. The weight is pretty good. You can also use the rock. Forget the cement. Use plastic bag to make it nice and clean. As long as it has enough weight. Put the packing material back and looks the same. Works fine too. Without the packing material, it still works fine. Later on, I tried small rocks. I think it's better. I like small rocks. Thank you for watching.